Here's a video on how to remove a seat belt that's in a tight space. This split seat on my Ford F150, I've got a real tight space right here. So I used a Torx bit that fits inside there. I used my cutoff grinder, cut the end of it, because once you loosen it up, it gets real close to the other side. So it needs to be cut so it won't bind in there. Stick that Torx inside the bolt. Adjust your crescent wrench to the size of the bit. Loosen it up. Put the new seat belt on, and then tighten it back up with your crescent wrench. It's an easy little hack. You don't have to remove the entire seat to do it. It'll probably work on other applications as well. I hope you enjoyed this.